In this episode of Creative Series, I will be showing you one of the best AI image generator features to create this beautiful creative arts, realistic portraits, motion design, and so much more in order to make the most of it for your creative ideas. So let's get started with it. Now, upon launching the Leonardo AI, as usual, you would see here the community page. Now, one important thing here is that when you click on any of those images, it would give you kind of presets and the pipeline that is used how to generate it. For example, while generating this image, when you click this, it looks way more realistic. You can see how it's showing the pipeline and the photography model, and it has a resolution, and this Leonardo Vision fine-tuned model has been used. But as you can see here, related images section, like some of the images are really beautiful, like this one. When you click on this, it has a different stages it went through, eventually become a beautiful art, like so. As you can see here, the alchemy refiner and things like that. So again, just keep that in mind, because we're gonna talk about this, how to use this eventually in order to create beautiful portraits. On the home page, you can see here we have the motion section. When you click on that, this is a recent feature that allows you to give motion to a static image. But if you click here on another image like this one, as you can see here, it gives me this beautiful parallax effect, which is fantastic. Now you can create your own motion as well, but we're going to talk about that a bit later. Now when you click on the image creation, of course you can then generate your own images here, which is as usual. I'm going to copy here this prompt from my another screen just to give you an idea. Now the most important thing here is the preset. When you click on this, you have this new model, which is the Leonardo Phoenix. Now this model is fantastic, like it doesn't struggle with text. Again, you have the usual thing like the portrait perfect lifelike vision. You can use this to generate our realistic images. Let's go first with the Phoenix. Now if I click this is a prompt for Interstellar, and click on generate. It's gonna take a few seconds. Now as you can see here, it's generated this beautiful poster. Like, take a look at those texts, like it's simply fascinating. What I would do here is click on the edit icon, and then I can make changes here from the same given poster. For example, when you click on generate, now it's gonna reiterate over this one and then give you another new generated image for that. Like, take a look at this. This is amazing. The other thing that we want to talk, if you go again to the preset section and click on the portrait perfect, it's gonna switch the model here, and then I can upload my reference image. If I click on this, I can click on the style reference, like, the aesthetics that I want to give, and then I can upload my own image here. For example, I want to use this one. So here I have another prompt for this, like ultra realistic. Let's click on best and then generate it again. As you can see here, it generated me this beautiful art. Like, I wouldn't say it's perfect. You can always switch between these things to, refer to the image, like how much it should impact the generated result based on your reference. Now, one of the important features is that you can create here a consistent character. Since I don't have a premium subscription, but if you'd like to try it here, it is really extraordinary. Like, give you consistent character of whatever you want to do with it. Let me go back to the home page. Now, we have a lot of stuff here, by the way. If you go into the motion section, you can create here a motion by selecting image. And then what you can do here is use an image here to give motion. For example, if I want to give a motion to this one, I can generate this. It's gonna generate this for me in the background. While it is generating, I'm gonna show you some other stuff. Fine-tune model. In fine-tune, we talk about how the Phoenix, and the one important one that oftentimes, like, you would be using if you're into the creating realistic images is the Leonardo Vision Axle. When you click this, it's gonna show you like the images they have created with this model, like really realistic. For example, take a look at this one, and it went through a lot of studies, like it's really creative. Take a look at there, like, how much it was, and then upscaling, and then eventually it's become like this one. Anyway, so if I go back to the fine-tune models and then click on this one, I can generate with this model. It's gonna show me the home page. Like, you have so much control over the stuff, like it's really fantastic. As you can see here, I have a prompt which I already pasted here. Now when you select the elements, it's gonna choose multiple elements to generate images for you. I selected here the sparkle core, and then selected here color pop to give it a more aesthetic vibe. Now this is important. When you turn on the photo real, it's gonna generate realistic images for you. The other thing is that when you click on the resolution, which is in this case, I'm gonna go with this more of a portrait design. What I can do here is then simply click on generate. Take a look at the result. Like, it's simply fantastic. Now, if you would like to edit it further, what you can do here is that you can click on the, smooth texture. It's gonna apply alchemy smooth upscale. It's gonna try to, improve it to give you way more realistic details. Now, if you would like to download it, you can simply click on this. But if you want to create a new collection, you can create a new folder and then save it over there as well. Anyway, so that's pretty much it about this one. So now if I go into the home page here, now, as you can see here, our emotional design that we anticipated, that is how it is kind of created. Like, it's kind of looking cool, but it's not animating everything. Like, it's creating this parallax effect. Now, if I go into the home page again and fine-tune model, in fine-tune model, we have other models as well, which are really worth taking your time. Like, we have photoreal. Like, if you click on that, you would see here that people have created really realistic images with it, like this one. Take a look at this. Like, it's fantastic. Now, the final thing is that Leonardo Diffusion XL. If you click on that, you have this beautiful effect that is created with this model. Like, take a look at this double exposure. Then take a look at this one. Like, it's really amazing. Now, I want to go back to the home page again. The other important thing here for our designer is the real-time canvas, which I wouldn't say it's perfect, but it's really good for starter. For example, if I get rid of it, if I want to, start here a portrait like so, then these are the eyes, for example, and then we have the nose, and then we got here the mouth here. Let's try to take a look at this as a concept art. As you can see, it's generating me in real time. Just giving you a reference how this thing would look like if you, like, it's not perfect, but it's really great for starter to come up with the new ideas quickly and then later do the post-production in Photoshop. So yeah, that's pretty much it about this. Now, Leonardo.ai give you free tokens, by the way, every single day. Like, it gives you 150 and it would reset after 12 hours. Now, if you want to upgrade it to, get more tokens, what you can do is click on manage and then subscribe based on that to generate more tokens and then, access the other feature as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this short video. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my overall contents, I make videos every single week related to technology, design, and if that sounds great to you, smash the subscribe button with bell notification for upcoming more content. Then I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.